Welcome to the world of Sam's Playroom, a magical place filled with vibrant toys, books, and educational tools that are designed to inspire and nurture the child's imagination. As you step into this enchanting room, you'll immediately notice the colorful toys spread throughout, each one carefully curated to stimulate a child's curiosity and creativity. At the heart of Sam's Playroom is a cozy floor space, perfectly suited for the child to explore and engage with their surroundings. With books, toys, and educational tools spread out around you, Sam is eager to immerse himself in the endless world of learning and play. As you approach the child, he appears to be in awe of all the fascinating objects that surround him. With wide-eyed excitement, Sam reaches out to touch a toy elephant, gently squishing it between his fingers. A smile spreads across his face as he giggles, the joy evident in his eyes. The room is designed to be an inclusive and engaging space, with toys on every shelf and tool on every table. From building blocks to musical instruments, Sam's Playroom offers a diverse range of toys that cater to different interests and developmental needs. But it doesn't end there. Sam also has a special table filled with a variety of educational tools, such as science kits, art supplies, and storybooks. These tools are designed to spark creativity, encourage critical thinking, and help Sam make the most of his playtime. As Sam's Playroom unfurls before you, it's clear that this room is more than just a collection of toys and tools. It's a haven of imagination and discovery, where the child and the world around him can flourish. So, come and join Sam as he embarks on an unforgettable journey of learning and play.